Hey everyone, have you ever opened your M1 Finance account, looked at the dashboard, and felt a little overwhelmed? You've got the pie chart, the numbers, the percentages, but what does it all mean? It's not as complex as it looks, and in the next few minutes, we're going to break down the M1 Invest dashboard so you can feel more confident and in control of your investments. At the top of your dashboard, you'll see your total portfolio value. This is the big number, and it represents all the money you have invested in your M1 account. This includes your invested funds, any uninvested cash, and any borrowed funds. Think of it as a snapshot of your entire financial picture within M1 at that very moment. Below your total value, you'll see the star of the show, your M1 pie. The pie chart is a visual representation of your portfolio's asset allocation. Each slice of the pie represents a specific investment, either an individual stock, an ETF, or even another sub-pie. The size of each slice is determined by its percentage weight in your portfolio. This visual makes it incredibly easy to see if your portfolio is balanced and aligned with your target allocations. When you first build your pie, you set a target percentage for each slice. As the market fluctuates, some slices will perform better than others, causing their size to grow or shrink. This is where M1's automation comes in handy. With Auto Invest turned on, M1 will automatically invest any new deposits into the underweight slices to bring your portfolio back to its target percentages. You can also manually trigger a rebalance to sell from overweight slices and buy into underweight ones, ensuring your portfolio stays on track with your long-term goals. Underneath your pie, you'll find important metrics that give you a deeper understanding of your portfolio's performance. Total gain. This number shows your total cumulative return since you opened the account. It includes both realized and unrealized gains from all your investments, as well as any dividends you've received. Market gain. This metric specifically measures the gains or losses from the market's movement, not including any cash flows like deposits or withdrawals. It's a great way to see how your portfolio is performing purely based on asset price changes. Net cash flow. This is a simple but crucial number. It's the total of all the money you've deposited into your account minus any withdrawals. By understanding these three key metrics, you can get a holistic view of your portfolio's health, from how much money you've put in, to how the market is impacting your investments, and what your overall return looks like. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.